Come on in. Come on. Come on. Duck, come on. Come see what we're doing. Alright, well here's the hood pins you're going to install. So they come from Summit Racing in this little bubble pack. And interestingly enough, not made in China. So let's have a look at them, open them up, see what they look like. So this is the aluminum piece that goes on top of the hood. Cast aluminum, very lightweight, seems to have some kind of a paint coating on it. It says OMP. And these are about 3 1/4 long, about 2 inches wide at the wide spot, down to maybe 1 1/4 inches. Ooh, decals. Here's the clip. Appears to be, well, maybe it's stainless, but if it is, it's pretty low grade. There's a little bit of a snap ring to it here. That, of course, will slide in here. When it's locked closed, it's like it could go a little further than that. Snap it open, pull it open like that. Interesting, I just noticed this one here seems to have a little defect in it where that hole goes all the way through there, so that's not cool from a quality standpoint. I'm actually thinking about taking the finish off of these and just polishing up the aluminum, but now with that hole in there, that defect, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. These are awfully cheap feeling and lightweight. These are the pins. Pretty sturdy. Again, stainless steel. The threaded length, 2 3/4. Overall length about 4 inches. Of course, that'll pop up through there. And that pin will go and latch like that. This should actually, I think this should go through all the way onto this little boss here. It doesn't seem to want to do that. I think the paint here is probably holding it from doing that. But yeah, it looks to me like it really wants to go all the way over there. So this is a very tight fit. Again, I think it's probably, yeah, a lot of paint buildup inside there. So these are going to need a little bit of work, a little finessing to make those work smoothly. Again, super lightweight. Here's the hardware they give you. I understand these are metric, probably M3s. Very tiny little screw heads on here. I'm just going to carefully pop one out. Supposedly what's supposed to happen is these are captive pins, so when you, and this will be screwed in here, when you pop this open to open the hood, this head of this bolt, and it's a small Allen head, will hold the pin from coming out. So they refer to these as a captive pin. And then you'll just push that back in, and then again that should go all the way and flip it over. To me, that's supposed to go all the way over like that, and this will close like that. So I'll have to work on that a little bit to get these working. But that is what you get in the kit. Did I mention there's stickers? Looks like the culprit is this little bit of a channel here that is raised on this casting. It's raising the pin up as it comes in, and it won't go in all the way. Trying to ground that off on this one. Getting there. You can see it's going in partially anyway. So after a lot of cleanup with the Dremel, I was able to get that to go in there. Slide over, and that'll snap over the top. Now, I looked online, and not a lot of pictures of these installed. I found someone that had actually installed it this way, which is the pin coming through from the other side. And if you look at the casting, you can see that groove there, and that fit cleanly that way. Pull it out. That fit cleanly that way. But the problem is, these are meant to be captive pins, and that's pointless to take it out and put it in that way. And what is this piece down here for? So this is the way it was really intended to be. Just not really very nicely made, but I think I can work with that, clean that up, and get that to work. So this is about where I want to locate the hood pins on the hood. Challenge I'm going to have is on this project, I'm using the Corvette chassis, and I'm using the Corvette steering column and bracketry for the brake pedal, and so the brackets all protrude right in that location. On the Corvette, you know, there's a fiberglass enclosure around there, around the firewall. What I've come up with is a two-piece metal enclosure, and I can mount the hood pin right into the top of that. So here I've got the cover in place. I've marked it, and I'm going to drill it out for the pin. Okay, so I got the hole in, and I put this threaded rod in here, which is the same diameter as the hood pin, and I have a similar arrangement underneath with a big spacer and a nut. Problem is, you can see that the angle of this cover doesn't match the angle that the hood is going to be at. So if you put the hole that way, the pin will bind up over here when you go to pivot the hood up. So what I'm going to do is, with this threaded rod, I'm going to grab it and try to bend it and just put a little bit of a pucker or a dimple in here, and that should correct that for the angle. So what could possibly go wrong? How's that look? I'm looking basically for a right angle between here and here. It bent pretty easy, so let me take this apart and put the hood pin in. We'll show you. All right, and here it is. You can see there's a little bit of a little pucker here, but it indented nicely. And I just kind of eyeballed the height where the hood will be to get the height set. But I've got enough thread underneath I can adjust that, and I just have this finger tight now, so it's plenty strong enough. I could always reinforce underneath here with a little bit of steel later on after I get the hood set. Got to work on the other side now. That'll be pretty straightforward. I'm just going to make a bracket that mounts in the matching location on the other side. Alright, so bent up a little template. Draw some aluminum and cut it out, and there it is. The only thing left to do now is try the hood on. Quick peek under the hood here. You can see I had to cut away some of the stiffening structure underneath, right where the hood pins are going to go, and I've got the hood marked for drilling out the holes right now. And so got the holes drilled out. Used the plate as a template, and I also made stainless steel mounting plates to go underneath the hood to sandwich the fiberglass so the hardware doesn't sort of pull through. It's very small hardware. So those will look pretty good, and I think work well. Put the first two ones on there, snug them up a little bit, not too snug, and then put the catch pin on there before you put the last bolt in. I won't tell you how many times I forgot to do that, but here it is. And that last bolt holds in the catch pin, and then drop the hood down and make any other final adjustments on the height. Put a little grease on the pins there to slide them back and forth so they work a little easier and kind of find their home. There it is, the hood pins are mounted. And just final view, I like how they look, nice and streamlined. I think they fit the style of the car really well. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more projects on this car. And again, thanks for watching.